All right. Roxy, you're going to go first. You can't use your hands. But you may have one. But you can't use your hands.
To get them?
Right. So what are you going to do?
With my arm?
No. How does Doppler eat?
Just eat from your mouth. Stick it on my tongue.
Uh-huh. So if you want one,
Could Edison have one?
you're going first. If you need to move the plate, we may need to take our shoes off. How about we take our shoes off? Wow, we've got a lot of good stuff on our feet.
I have to lay down on my tummy.
Okay.
I get one onto my mouth.
Okay.
I have to do.
Okay. I wonder how many she's going to get.
At a time?
Mm-hmm.
Do it at the same time. I can only get one at a time.
Well, let's see it. She got one! Now, once you get it off the plate, you can use your hands. There you go. All right, Ruby.
Don't lap up the plate.
Oh, don't drool. Did you get one?
Try? Yeah. Can I try?
Mhm.
Yes, you got one. So lift it off the plate.
It's okay. All right, Roxy, you want another one?
Yeah.
You're very graceful.
We're bobbing for candy corn.
Yes.
That's my turn.
Edison, you eat like a bulldog.
Can I try? One. I keep getting one. That's not come off the plate. Points. Like no Roxy's goes back.
Okay, if you get that many, you can... I don't want you to choke. That would not be fun. Okay? Okay, let's do one more round. Now you're getting it. How many did you get?
2. My turn. Got 2.
Okay, Edison, that's good. That's good. I think Edison
What's
got the most.
What's the most candy corn?
Mhm.
Because he likes sugar.
Don't we all? All right, let's get to carving.